Ronke Odusoya shares official photos of her baby girl. Nollywood actress Ronke Odusoya, who recently delivered a baby girl on the 19th of August 2019, shares the photo of her baby girl on her naming ceremony in America. The actress took to her Instagram page to share pictures from the naming ceremony on Tuesday, 27th of August 2019, which took place in the United States of America. Following her recent post on Instagram, the actress Ronke Odusoya revealed the name of her baby girl as Oluwafifeanmi Faria. In her post, she made a lengthy caption, "Your unending grace, O Lord, meet our daughter Oluwafifeanmi Faria. You can call her Miss Fife. More pictures coming soon. My appreciation goes to God Almighty, my very, very good and dedicated friends who love me like their own. My Boston peeps at Trendy World 1, the Adepojos, Brother Steven and family. At Sean B's event and family at Brown Sugar for Bim. For you and love. And my baby's complete outfit, Tunrayo Elizabeth, Kemi, Krelu, Mommy Khalid, Busuyi, my dear Dolapo Iyabeji, my Chicago peeps, Mommy Rodia and family, Mommy Junior and family, my Lagos peeps. For all your calls and time, my good and old friends, I love you all. My fans, thank you all, we love you." Nollywood celebrities took to her comment section to congratulate her on her baby celebration. Some of the celebrities were Nollywood actress Toyin Abraham, Adedibura Gold, Kunle Afod, Funsho Adeolu, Mercy Ebosele, Femi Branch, Babati, and many others. Congratulations to Ronke Odusoya. For more of this juicy entertainment news, kindly log on to our website at www.broadwaytv.tv and on Instagram at officialbroadwaytv. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Broadway Africa.